friends, welcome back to another video on Android development. In this video we will learn how we can create the snack bar in our Android project. So first of all we will add the dependency. Just copy this dependency material and go to the build.gradle module app file and just paste here and click on sync now. Okay, now go to the activity main.xml and just change this text view into the button. Okay, now change the text. Let's say I type create snack bar and give button. Now go to the main activity.java and create the instance for button. And initialize it. Okay. Now create the button dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, now here we create the snack bar dot make. Here three parameters are required. So first parameter is the root element where we have to show that snack bar. So in my case I want to show the snack bar on activity main.xml. So here we need to create the ID of that layout. So let's say I type root layout and here pass that ID, find view by ID dot ID dot root layout, and the second parameter is the text that will appear on the snack bar. So let's say I type deleted, and the third parameter is duration. So type here snack bar dot length long or length short. Let's say I select length long and then call snack bar dot show method. Okay, now run the project. Okay, now click on this button, create snack bar. Here you can see deleted snack bar is available. Now how we can add buttons in this snack bar and how we can add click listener on that button. So before this method show, we can call snack bar dot set actions. Here you can pass button. So just type the title of that button. Let's say I type undo, and the second parameter is the click listener. So type here new on click listener. First put a semicolon here, add anything. Let's say I'm show a simple toast message. Data is back. Okay, now run the project again. Now click on create snack bar again. Here you can see when we click on undo, our toast message is available, data is back. Also you can change the color of this undo button. So for this we have to snack bar dot set color action text color and just pass here color. Let's say I type color dot red or green. You can select anyone. Now run the project. Okay, again click on create snack bar. Here you can see color of the undo button is changed, and here you can see toast message is also show. So if you have any question, please ask me in the comment section, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.